And the best part is, there's a tanker here. A tanker that got washed off in the river and landed in the ocean. A full tanker. Look at you. Durban Beach. Right through to the water, what it looks like. The tanker is moving.
The river is spilled over into the road. It's going to be impossible here on out. The river is now overflowing. We're here at 56. The graders wouldn't stop moving the sand, and now we are completely flooded. The entire house is now flooding. The graders should have just left it.
Here of Stapleton is looking. As you can see, there's definitely a no-go. I'm literally up to past my knees in water standing on the sidewalk. You can see the height of the traffic lights. Definitely a no-go zone at the moment. At least the water's not cold. Scenario, yeah. The scenario, yeah.
Just so you can
See the scenario, yeah.
just so you can
See.
có mấy mua gọi là em bản nào spin this ge ko bo ya pepo ibo aga sete aga bu ye oye basan ye Al pegane, al gawelzan, ye. Ayam. phuma abantu avula ibhutsi hayi bo
What's happening with these floods down in KZN? You've just been taking a look at
Right.
is it hashtag KZN floods?
Yeah, it's
you were
scary.
saying?
It's absolutely scary. All parts of the province seem to be flooded. I mean, homes. And I think what also is tragic from the looks of the visuals and the VNs that are being shared on social media is of one, South African. I think he's out of the province. He doesn't live in KZN, but his mother sending him a VN, obviously talking about how scared they are, how the house is flooded, how bad the situation is around.
VN?
A voice note.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. No,
Is
this
that
is
what
for
the- is that what the
this
kids
is
are-
the
is that what the
youngins.
kids
This
are
is for the
calling it now?
youngins, not the elderly generation. So basically, VNs are voice notes, but basically talking about how, everywhere, I'm talking all parts of, whether it's Imlazi, Chatsworth, KwaMashu, parts of Old Airport, anywhere you can think of in KZN right now, there seems to be a disaster going on there. And I just wonder if the MEC of Cocta, who we'll be speaking to, of course, at 8 a.m., can give us a bit of progress that they're making, where the rescue missions will be, of course, taken to those parts that need assistance very much urgently. We're seeing that breaking story there. People dying, more missing. The Cocta KZN MEC still saying, or rather the department, that 20 people so far have been killed as a result of these floodings. And it's just tragic. Go under hashtag KZN floods. Trust me, wherever you are in the country, there's no way this will not impact you, even if you're not in KZN.
Yeah.
Absolutely tragic.
And please make sure if you've got loved ones or family in the area, please urge them to rather stay at home. It is still raining at the moment. We're going to